So today I thought I'd do like a little room tour of my room, and when I mean little, I mean like very, very small. It's probably like 5 minutes maybe, but I just wanted to show what my room looks like because it's honestly changed a lot in just 4 weeks basically since we've been in quarantine. So yeah, so I just wanted to show what my room looks like now because it's kind of turned into more like of an office slash workspace, but I'm not really mad at it. So yeah, I've been really trying to like balance like Depop and then like art and then school and then making music. So this is what my room looks like, trying to balance all of these things together. So yep, let's get started. We're getting up close and personal because I have no one to help me film. So we're gonna start with this space, which is always the space that I'm at, which is this space. I say this in like every video, but this is my old bed sheet that I put on my closet door, and it's literally thumbtacked. You can't see it. It's thumbtacked on both the top, and I tried safety pinning it here, but that didn't really do anything. And plus, like, my dogs like to pee on everything, so I had to like raise it up a little bit. I'm pretty sure they probably... Anyways, so this is like my little music corner. Sorry if you can't see it. I'm drinking vitamin water. Let's put this here. It looks like pee. Okay, let's look over here. Okay, so this is like my little music corner. I have my fluffy. This isn't even a rug. Okay, low-key got this from the fashion department at school because they just have like leftover like scraps, so like no one was gonna use it, so like I took it. So anyways, these are my 2 amps that I have. This is a bass amp and this is my guitar amp, but for some reason it's not working. But it does make a really good stool when I'm recording covers, so still very handy. Oh, this is Bernie. I got him from my farm store at school, cause like we're a farming school and like we got a bunch of cows and stuff. So I got him literally a week before we went into quarantine. Named him Bernie. His name is Bernie Planters. My mom helped me name him, and he's a philahedron, something like that. I can't never ever say it, but he's grown so much and I've been singing to him, so it seems like he likes my singing. I had another plant, his name is George, and he was an ivy, but I don't think George liked my singing, so he's trying to get some sun out in the front. But yeah, so kind of like my music space, my Depop space, my everything space. I also like to paint here a lot and do my homework sometimes. But yeah, sure, the next place is literally a foot next to it. So, but continuing this little corner of my room, I have there's a name for it, and I should know it, but I don't. So I'm just gonna be referring to this as it. I usually have my Polaroid here, of course, and my little go-to bag that I take everywhere now if I go somewhere. But yeah, and then I also have like this. Sorry, the lighting's bad right there. You can't really see anything, but some of the Polaroids that I have, because once we get over there, like my wall is kind of like filled up a little bit just because I love taking pictures on Polaroids. But yeah, so these are just some of the stuff that has chosen to stay on. These are the 2 concerts that I went to this year before quarantine, and the last concert I went to is Echo Smith, March 5th. Literally a week later, could not go out anymore. So yeah, that's that. Basically where I have like, it's like a little desk. Okay, not really like a desk. This used to be like, I don't know if you guys can see this. This used to be like a chest thing, something you can put your stuff in basically. And I turned it vertically instead of it laying horizontally. And then I put this top on it because I thought it'd be cool if I had like a nightstand or something near my bed. just to put like stuff on it so it's like easier to access. But this is what happened. This was the end result. Of course, have my record player. There's a fly. I have my record player and it's really cool. I got this for Christmas like in 2012, I think. My mom got it for me. But it can play CDs and has the radio and stuff. I'm not gonna open it because I'm lazy. But there's also a side for cassettes, so I'm ballin'. Anyways, there's just some random stuff here. This mic refuses to work anymore. I don't really know why I still have it. Some random Polaroids that I have. I took these of my dogs yesterday. And then of like, I don't know. Oh, that's supposed to be Bernie, I guess. And then I just put like my recording stuff, so my microphones, my pop filter, etc. Random 20 questions game, and then this random box. This is my rubbish bin. But yeah, that's on my Depop, just so you know. But yeah, so my bed is where I obviously sleep, and I do everything on it. Everything, probably. And my mom hates it when I eat in my room, but like, first of all, I thought I was so clever, like so clever, because I have this little hook thingy I got from Daiso. It's like a little flower. And then I was like, my cords always get jumbled up and like messy, so I was like, I'm gonna be neat and like wrap up my cords. So that's my cords, my charger, headphones. My friend Camille drew this for me. Shout out to Camille. We went to the Norton Simon, and so she tried to replicate one of the paintings, but like, or drawings, but with me in it instead. It's from Mocha, the last time that I went, which was I think after New Year's. So a lot of stuff that I love to do but can't do now. Now it's like my bed. So of course I have pillows. This is my mini amp that I got when I was like 12. I keep a notebook on my bed right here because I always find that I'm always needing to write something down, especially like song lyrics or like a plan or a to-do list, and I always keep my pencil bag with me too. Behind these pillows is another space that is just full of lotion that I was gifted during Christmas. I don't really know. This is gonna last me for like 2 years probably. A mirror, my knitting project I never finished. I have a lot of these stuff now. This one is from my friend Camille again for my birthday, and then this one was gifted to me too from Zach, and that's just like a little candle thing that I have. I'm trying to save up money for like a car, so that'd be nice. I just painted this pot. This was Bernie's old pot. Some other things. Next to my bed, or my bed wall, is a bunch of Polaroids. Yeah. So these things always fall off. I don't know how people keep it so aesthetically pleasing on their wall. Like, what tape do you use? Like, can someone let me know? I got this vintage duvet. I didn't call it duvet. Bed sheets. It was thrifted, I believe, because they're vintage. Like, the tag says like 80 something or whatever. Then I have some random drawers under my bed because I have a lot of clothes that I need to keep in for inventory reasons. Now we're at the newest piece of, ew, I look crazy. We're at the newest piece of my room, which is my garment rack. So excited when this came in the mail. It was really easy to put together, but it doesn't like a lot of weight on it. So I've had to like compromise some things that were a little bit too heavy for it, but now I can easily organize all of my stuff, and it helps so much when I'm like doing listings for Depop and stuff, so I know like which ones I haven't taken pictures of and which ones I do need to take pictures of. The bottom is a little messy, if you guys can see. Just a bunch of shoes and stuff. Like, I need to organize this better. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then, yeah, that's my dirty hamper that I need to wash. So, So that's that. I was really like super excited about it. I love this in my room, but it's kind of in front of my tambourine, like where I have to rearrange things. Yeah. So also someone bought a style bundle, and I'm really excited to do hers. She wanted like she likes like the cottage aesthetic, so it's really like frilly stuff, kind of like Victorian age stuff. So I'm really excited for her to get her bundles. I'm going to give her like the khaki strawberry pants that everyone likes on my Depop. So those are going, and then this frilly dress might do. I'll just have some random packages for Depop that need to go in my Depop bag. I don't know if I showed my Depop bag, but I love this bag so much. It's like a mesh bag. I don't know, I think it's so cute. Anyways, so this is my dresser. There are also like some spare like scraps from my fashion department. So like no one's gonna take it, and it's like leopard and like blue. So it was really cool. These are all of the beauty products that I pretty much use. I don't know, I'll get into that like in another video. My makeup bag, my second makeup bag. This was actually from a like mysteries 90s bundle thing, and it was really bad, but we're not gonna talk about it. And then I have my 3 pairs of sunglasses. I'm trying to grow like my collection. I have heart ones, and these ones are so cute, and then these ones, piles of textbooks that I never even used, but for some reason I paid like $200 for it when they said we needed it, but like never touched it in my life, but we're not gonna talk about it. And some Vogue magazines, because apparently my mom's been getting like subscriptions to like Vogue, so yeah, love Vogue, even though like their beauty standards are unrealistic and like no bueno, but whatever. And then I was going through my stuff and deciding what accessories to put with that style bundle. I really want to give her these pearls. It would go so well with it. And then I also found this vintage compact mirror. It's super cute, and it's like porcelain. Really. Last but not least is my desk, which I don't really use for like homework and stuff. I rarely use it. If I do use it, it's because I'm using the sewing machine. Yeah, but I have my bass guitar hanging, trying to teach myself bass. And then this is just like my fabric bin. It's not really a bin, but like all my sewing supplies are in here. So yeah, elastic for scrunchies and stuff. Singer, sewing machine. This is really my sister's, but you know how that goes. And so now it's on my table. Normal desk stuff. I don't really know what else to show y'all, but that's pretty much it. Planner, of course, my Valkyrie planner, and then this like sketchy notebook. I really actually use to just like, I don't know what I do it for, honestly. A lot of notes in here, like planning like videos and stuff. I have to put like a lot of like art. This is from like, what's the store called? It's from the paper source, so it's super cute. I love that. It's like different, like I guess you could call them, they're not like Pantone colors, but they're like the color spectrum, and it kind of shows like the different ways you can mix the colors, and it has like the spectrum here, so that's really cool. I was really excited because I saw Tamia Blue at Tamia Blue. She has this in her house too, and I was like, oh my god, like that's crazy. But anyways, so yep. And then this is just like random supplies. That's pretty much it. I'm hoping to get some more stuff during this week. I might do like my beauty favorites. A Glossier package is coming, a 90s thrift bundle's coming, some Milk makeup's coming too. But yeah, so I just thought that'd be a fun little video to do. So that's pretty much my entire room. It's very, very small, but I'm making the most out of all the space that I can use, and it's really forced me to be more innovative and be more, I don't want to say like minimalistic, but more smart about what I keep in my room and what I choose to throw away. I've been really decluttering and very like sort out a lot of things just so I don't have like a lot of clutter, because I feel like when my room is cluttered, I don't feel like good and I don't feel like I can like get stuff done. So that's the end of this room tour. Hope you guys liked it. Hope it wasn't too boring. I always see like the very aesthetic like rooms and I'm like, oh, that's not my room, but like I wish it was. But we're making like some progress, I think. But yeah, so I'm gonna go watch The Walking Dead because I'm on like season 5, started season 5. I've been trying to catch up, so I'm gonna go do that. But if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like it, leave a comment. YouTube has been very tough for me, not gonna lie. It's very like time consuming and sometimes discouraging, but like I love making videos and I love fashion and music and art, so I'm gonna keep doing it whether anyone watches or not. But if you do like it, let me know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I don't really post on Instagram, but I do post on my stories a lot. So if you do follow me on Instagram from this video or from any of my videos, like let me know. I will appreciate it so much. Like I already appreciate it right now, but like if you let me know that you found me off of YouTube, that would like make my day. Anyways, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Depop, go listen to Love Them Better on SoundCloud. I almost said bio. All the links will be in the description, and yep, so bye.